Hey, welcome back, everyone. All right, today I have a special treat for you. I am going to be cooking out here on my outdoor gas grill, and I have a special treat. We got hot dogs, we have ground beef, we have baked beans, and we got bacon. I'm going to show you how we're going to put this all together. Stick around. I hope you enjoy. All right, so first off, we got some bacon. All right, bacon is chopped. Now we have one onion. All right, onions are done. Now, got some hot dogs. And I have here some 8515 ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and get this cooking. I'll show you what that looks like. First ingredient, bacon. All right, got that beautiful sizzle going on. Let's throw in the onion. Oh yeah, bacon and onions. All right, get that mix in there. Let them get all nice and happy. Got a little bit of color on the onions. Bacon's coming along good. Let's throw the hamburger in there. Throw that right on in there. Season the hamburger any way you like. Me, I'm going to go with a little bit of paprika, smoked paprika, a little bit of sea salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then, of course, our key ingredient, because you know me and my fascination with garlic. I have 1 tablespoon of fresh minced garlic. Well, it's actually more than a tablespoon, but who cares? Who's counting? Give this a good mixing through. All right, guys, we want to cook this beef until we don't see any more pink. So good already. Oh my goodness. All right, last key ingredient here. Oh, second to last key ingredient. 1 big ass can of original B&M baked beans. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this all together a little bit. But remember those hot dogs? Drop them in there. Drop those hot dogs right on in. Mix it in. You're going to set it and forget it for about 5 minutes. Put a lid on it. And what it's going to do is going to have all those hot dogs. You're going to soak up all the baked bean flavor. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at those hot dogs all plumped up. All right. Now, this next part is optional. You could plate it up just the way it is right now. Or you can do what I'm going to do. You can either throw it in your oven in a casserole dish, put some cheese over top of it, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it in my smoker with the cheese on top of it. Come on with me, I'll show you how we do it.
And Deets and Watson hot dogs are the best.
Totally optional, but you want to get some added flavor here. We're going to take this, we're going to put it right in the casserole dish. Oh no, hot dog's trying to get away. Oh, Mom secured the hot dog. Might be too hot, Mom.
Yep.
Was the hot dog hot, Mom? All right. I don't want to lose any of these flavors on here, so we're going to scrape the bottom of the bowl. All right. Oh, another hot dog. Put that one right back in there. Ain't going to hurt none. All right.
Got it first.
Cover it up with some cheddar cheese. I'm going to put in my smoker. My smoker is set for 350 degrees. If you don't have a smoker, you can put it in your oven, same temperature, 350 degrees. Get that cheddar cheese right in there. Don't be bashful. Everything is going to be outdoor cooking today. Hey guys, leave a comment down below. What state are you in, and what's the temperature, and what's the weather like outside? I hope it's sunny and 80 like it here.
A nice cool breeze blowing.
With a nice breeze, exactly, a nice breeze blowing. All right, there you go. We're going to throw this in our smoker. There you go, guys. Right on in. Got some nice, beautiful smoke going on. That's going to really give us some nice richness. Close this lid. Let it go for about 15-20 minutes and see how we do. Absolutely fantastic. Oh yeah. Hot dog, baked beans, beef, cheese, onion. How do you go wrong? How do you go wrong with that? All right, guys. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. Got a little bit of green onion here, a little garnish, because I like my green onion. Cheers, everyone. Let's see how we did. Oh, yeah. That bacon, guys, what do you think? Do we give Mom a little bite, little taste, see how we did? All right. Come on, Mom. See how we did. There you go. Mom approves of it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Hey, be sure to check me out in a couple days from now, because coming along with this, I'm going to make some bacon wrapped asparagus on the smoker. Stay tuned for that one next.